Hi and hello to one and all. Today I'm back once again with yet another GD topic, which was recently asked in IIM Lucknow. Knowledge is the greatest asset one can have. So let me commence the topic in the words of Benjamin Carson. Benjamin Carson says that he's convinced that knowledge is power because it helps us to overcome the past, it helps us to change our current situations, it helps us to tackle the obstacles, and it helps us to make better decisions in life. Swami Vivekananda says that life is of little utility if it is in darkness, groping through ignorance and misery. By the dint of knowledge, man has survived on this Mother Earth centuries after centuries and has never ever succumbed to even the most fierce and the most powerful of animals. And why just survive? By the dint of inventions and discoveries that man made, he in fact dominated all the creatures of the world. And the prerequisite for all these inventions and discoveries is knowledge. In the quest for more, knowledge has helped man to encircle the globe, to reach the remotest of the island, to reach the womb of earth, and helped him to exploit the natural resources so as to make his life easier and smoother. So the next question arises that what does the knowledge do to a person or personality? According to me, knowledge is such a weapon in self which helps one to attain his dreams or to at least survive in his life. I mean, a person having knowledge is respected. People look forward towards him for solutions. He gets name, fame, and positions pretty easily in life. What about Sachin Tendulkar? I mean, he had the knowledge of just one game, but that knowledge helped him attain the heights that he is on today. When he talks, you come to know how much knowledge he has in that field. And why just Sachin Tendulkar? I mean, to excel in any field for anyone, knowledge is a must. Without knowledge, there is no success. Knowledge can protect you from getting cheated. And why I'm saying that is because if you happen to buy any product in the market and you do not have the knowledge of the product, then there is every possibility that you get cheated. Knowledge helps us in better planning and better decision making in life. So, if you have knowledge, there is every possibility that you take right decisions in your life and you do not have to depend upon in future. So in a way I can say that knowledge is needed in almost each and every facets of life. There is no particular place where I can figure out where knowledge is needed. Without knowledge, you are bound to lead a miserable life.